Yo, yo, yo.
This is Doane College. Carlos, Adam, this guy, and Kyle, and me.
This guy.
And we're about to go into Jeremiah's room, 319 here, and get some shit. Let's roll out, baby. Let's go. It's looting time. Let's go. Make it happen. Hurry. Make it happen. Make it happen. Get that. Oh, yeah, get that. Hurry. Hurry. Just hurry. Just get it. Let's go. Let's go. Roll out, baby. Let's go. Let's keep going. Keep going. Let's go. Let's go. Make this shit happen, Captain. Fucking little Superman backpack and shit. And fuck him. Getting this. Damn, what else is there to take? That's not even his. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Let's go out, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. And we're done. We're done here. We're done. All in all, this is pretty successful looting here. This is a real situation. We'd have mad shit, yo. No joke.
Oh man,
it's pretty good.
hey, watch out! I need to sit there. I need my beer.